police there, and one they don't know the proper English maybe, so they have called some other third person. He came and he is saying you have to pay 1,000 baht. Tomorrow, what is the timing for the Phuket? It's 2 VIP.
Yeah, VIP 2 times.
Okay.
This is normal.
This is Thailand. There is some restriction of using the debit card. The architecture also in Thailand looks similar to this Chinese. Arey, Porsche showroom is there inside the mall. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the day 3 in exploring Thailand. We are currently in Bangkok and I came to take the bike rent. Let me show you what bike we got. Getting a bike rent in Bangkok is hectic. Almost I have called 6 shops to get this one. These are the bikes which we are going to take. I am taking the red one, which is costing around 300 baht per day. Same here, you have to pay 2000 deposit, which they will give you back after you give back the bike. So yeah, let's take the bike and explore Bangkok. So we have taken our bike. This is the one. This is also 125cc. As I said before, it cost around 300 baht. And we have taken from the Sky Hire bike rentals, which looks something like this. If you come here, don't search for the shop. Just go inside. In the basement, they have a table where you can. It's not like a shop. It's like some people are sitting where you can get the bike. Now I'm going back to the hotel. Let's go. Hey guys, we came back to the hotel.
Shall I not say hi?
Say.
Hi.
One thing you need to remember if you are taking bike from Sky Hire, that if you should travel less than 100 km per day. If you travel more than 100 km per kilometer, they will charge 2 baht. If you give the bike late, for 1 hour it is free. If 1 to 6 hours it is half a day they will charge, and more than 6 hours they will charge full day. So be careful with that information and plan your destinations according to that. Let's go. Let's see how the Grand Palace is. So guys, we have reached the Grand Palace, but unfortunately we came so much late. The time became, now it's 4 o'clock. But the Grand Palace will be open till 3:30 only. So if you are planning here, just come in the morning because you have so many other attractions. One thing is the Bangkok Pillar Shrine, one thing is the Emerald Buddha temple, which is also inside that, and you will have the Grand Palace also, which is inside this compound wall. We are just going to the gate. At least we will see how the entry gate looks, and then we will go back to the next location. The architecture also in Thailand looks similar to this Chinese. Look at this architecture. It's very colorful. It's very eye-catchy. It's like so much beautiful to look at. Guys, this one is the Ministry of Defense Museum and the office also. And opposite to that, you will have the Royal Palace and the Emerald Buddha Museum. Everything is there inside, which will be closed by 4:30. In the Google it was showing 3:30. So if you are coming here, please keep in mind that the Grand Palace will be open till 4:30. And we are able to see only this temple, and this one is called Bangkok Shrine Pillar. Look at the architecture that they have built. I don't know if there is an entry fee. Let's go. The architecture is very beautiful, but there are so much of crowd. Let's go and explore this place. People are offering some flowers also here. And this one is the temple. This one is called the Pillar Shrine. I think it's just like a temple kind of. You need to leave your chapel here. We have just entered from there. The culture looks very similar. They are offering flowers. Even they are giving diya how we give inside the temple. And even here they are tying some clothes which they represent, I think, some kind of wish. And even they are offering the flowers. The way they do the prayer, the way they sit and offer the prayer to the God also is very similar to how we do it in India. I will show you how they are doing it. Look at them. They are just sitting and then offering the flowers which they are buying outside. This looks very similar to Indian temples actually. How we enter the temple by leaving the chapel, like that only they are also entering it. But there is no idol or something. Here they are praying in front of this board. I think they are chanting whatever is written on that board. And here in this particular temple they are worshipping the Buddha. Let us see what more culture we can see inside. Look at how they are doing the pranam. It's the Buddha statue is there inside, and they are doing the pranam for that, and they are offering it, and then they are going inside. We are heading out. So guys, from the Grand Palace we were heading to the Southern Bus Terminal to book the bus ticket for Phuket, and she was so much hungry and we are so much hungry since morning. We did a single thing. She was unable to bear it. She's having a headache.
Coffee. Best coffee in right now, right?
Right now she's having the best time of her day. Since morning she's having headache. She didn't got the food, she didn't got the tea, she didn't got the coffee. Right now we have stopped here in 7-Eleven to get some stuff. This is our breakfast, including lunch, including snacks, and this is where we are eating. So after this we will go to Southern Bus Terminal and we will buy a Phuket bus ticket. I will show all the details, how to book it, where to book it. So
Better
stay
to book
tuned.
it in advance only. We are also doing the same thing.
We are booking in advance because we have seen yesterday for the Mochit bus terminal from the Pattaya the tickets got sold out. We don't want to face the same issue while going to the Phuket because everything is booked there. So today we are going to book the Phuket tickets tomorrow. Stay tuned for all the updates. We have reached the South bus terminal. Guys, if you are coming by bike here, be careful of this no parking signs, okay? You can't keep the bike everywhere. You will find some place there. Inside that you can keep your bikes.
Only riders.
These bikes are only for riders like Grab or any taxi, whichever comes or delivery, only for them. This is the entrance of the South bus terminal, SC Bangkok bus terminal. It is so much big. Inside there is plaza, there is 7-Eleven, there are some shopping malls. Look at this. This is departures. We will go inside and we will search for the ticket counter where we can book the bus for the Phuket. Let's go inside. Guys, here we are the ticket booth counter. This booth counter is on the first floor. On the ground floor, completely shopping areas are there. On the first floor, on the entrance also you have shopping areas. And after coming from there, just take a right and here you will get the ticket booth counter. Let's go and buy a bus to Phuket. Excuse me, how much is the Phuket tickets? For tomorrow, not today, okay?
Tomorrow, one ticket 37. Under 37.
Platform 37?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, for tomorrow?
Can we book tomorrow's ticket today?
Tomorrow, that's it. I think these counters will book for only today. We have to go backside, she was saying. Platform 37. Let's go there. This is the waiting area inside the bus stand. 33, 35, 36, 37. Good evening. Tomorrow, what is the timing for the Phuket? 5:30, 6:20, 7:20, 5:70.
How much the cost?
Here, it's written down. These two VIP?
Yeah, VIP 2 times.
Okay.
This normal.
This is normal.
Yeah.
When this one will reach?
In Phuket.
Yes.
8:30
8:30
in the morning.
morning.
VIP ticket cost is almost same everywhere, and normal bus cost is little bit different comparatively. We have booked VIP bus which costed around 2,204 baht, and in Indian currency it is 5,540 rupees. So we have booked VIP because it is more comfortable and we need to roam whole day there. So we have booked the VIP bus. You can book the normal bus also if you are comfortable with it.
Different places have different costs.
When you come here, just inquire. Different places have different prices. The VIP bus cost is same, but the normal bus pricing is here it is 700 baht, but in some other counter it is 300 baht. Sorry, 800 baht. And one more thing is, we suggest.
Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow bus start 7:50.
Okay.
Okay, you go platform 69:71.
Okay.
7:20 you stand by platform.
7:20.
Yeah, 7:20.
Okay. By 7:20 you have to be on the platform. Okay. One thing we suggest is come one day before, because in one of the counter the VIP tickets are already full. They are not available. Only the normal bus is available. One more problem we are facing in Thailand, they are not accepting international debit cards. Not everywhere. Few places they are accepting it, few places they are not accepting it. Wherever they are accepting, they are having some minimum purchase quantity, like you have to purchase a quantity of 300 or 200, like that. So you maintain the cash only mostly, because this is having a big problem for us, because few things we thought of purchasing online, like the bus ticket we have kept in the bank so that we can buy from there, but they are not accepting the card. It's having an issue. This is one information I want to give you guys. And now look at the bus stand. Can you believe it? This is the bus stand. They have a gaming area separately even here. Look at all this gaming area. We had a crazy experience in Thailand, Bangkok. It's like literally we cried. Actually what happened, we are going from the southern bus terminal to the Iconism Mall, and in middle there is a highway, and they haven't shown bike is not allowed there, and I went. It's an express highway. I just entered the express highway and the police have stopped us. It's like we don't even have the international driving permit also. They were asking license, and I have said I have Indian license. That also hard copy is not there. I have opened the DigiLocker and I have shown them. They literally for 30 minutes we were waiting there. We were requesting them. We don't know. Google Maps has shown that we are unable to understand. That's why we came up, or else we will not come. It's like they are saying you have to pay 1,000 baht. That is a fine you have to pay to leave, for us to leave you. And we are saying we don't have money. Tomorrow we are leaving from here. Tomorrow we have to go to Phuket. Please understand. Finally, I think there are two police there, and one they don't know the proper English maybe, so they have called some other third person. He came and he is saying you have to pay 1,000 baht, and we are requesting. In the end, he is like he's asking 500. We have some 1,000 baht. He is saying I don't have change. Then we started taking out 10 baht, 20 baht, 100 baht. Then in the end he has said, you keep the money, save the money, explore Thailand, go to Malaysia, have fun. And he have dropped us down off that express highway, and we are going to Iconism Mall again. This is the most fucked up experience in Thailand. It's like, see, the thing is, the behavior of the police also is so good that I have to mention it, because they haven't misbehaved, they haven't behaved in a rude way. It's like they are just saying that why you came here. It's a risky thing for a motorcycle to be here. The Thailand government law will fine you 1,000 baht if you go on this highway. It's finally after some time we came out of that scenario, and now we are on road. It's like our heart is beating around 120 beats per second. So guys, if you are traveling by bike, please check on the Google Maps, just select the bike way only, because the car ways they are going to show you the express highway. If you go there, you are definitely going to be fine. For us, luckily they have left us, so be careful with that. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say, because most of us will take the bikes to travel here, and this mistake we do, that we keep the car route in the Google Maps. The same mistake I have done, and I got saved. Don't make the same mistake. And now we are going to the Iconism Mall. Let's go how it is. Guys, we have finally reached the Iconism Mall of the Bangkok. This is the mall. The mall have total 8 floors. We will explore how much we can. Let's go. So much big the mall is. The total road is, the length of the mall is total road. And everywhere the cold is so much. The AC they kept it the bare minimum. They are not compromising on the AC anywhere. Hurry, Porsche showroom is there inside the mall. Oh, let's go and see at least. Look at what kind of showrooms are there. Apple showroom. This is how much big the mall is. Total mall is 8 floors.
Dyson is there.
Dyson showroom is there, Nike showroom is there, Porsche is there. How much aesthetic that is. Look at the decoration. I think this is the luxury section of the mall. Urban Revivo. I don't know what is this brand. Hey guys, we came out of the Iconism Mall. We are going to the hotel in middle. We have seen some night market is there, so we have stopped by there. The name is Asiatic Night Market. Let us go inside and see what it is. This is the entrance of that night market. There are so many food stalls and there is some giant wheel. And there are KFC, everything is there here. Let us go inside, we will see what kind of shops are available. Even there are some souvenir shops as well. Let's go inside. This is the entrance of that Asiatic night market, the riverfront. This is just beside the river and it is looking very pretty. We can buy some souvenirs from here itself. So many stores are there. We will see how much the price is.
Buy it here, it's costly.
These are the prices here. This kind of bags, one bag is 25 baht. And 5 bags if you buy it's 100 baht. And the smaller ones is 15 baht. And if you buy 7 bags it's 100 baht. It's a bag shop, so many options are available for you to buy. This is 190. These are all the third copy bags. These are not the original ones definitely. How much is souvenirs, right? The souvenir we have seen just now it's 100 baht. I think it's on the expensive side. We might not recommend buying here if you are planning to go to Platinum Mall. Guys, we came from there and inside there are so many food options. There are authentic Thai options also if you want to try. And these are all the restaurants which are available. Even here there is a cruise option as well. If you want to experience the river kind of a vibe, then you have a cruise options which you need to book the tickets after coming here. Just look at the cruise, how it is. If you would have already went to Dubai or if you would have went to the Vietnam cruises, I think you can skip this one. But if you didn't went there, you should definitely try this one here. It's a good one. Let's go. Let us see what is there inside more. Guys, this particular cruise is not a moving wala cruise. It's just like you sit and eat. It's a restaurant. And the other one at that side is the cruise which will take you to the river. And this is giant wheel. So I want to go to the giant wheel. Hey, you want to go? The giant wheel? No. Nah, permission nahi. There is no permission for me to go there.
I'll fall from.
No, you will not fall. Nothing will happen. So, let's go. Let's go. Not going there. If you guys come here, you can try that. While coming out from the behind, we have seen the Miniso. What is the collections are there? The collections are very different from what we have seen before. So we are also in the line right now to go into the Miniso. So let us see what kind of collections are there inside. We are going inside. Finally, our chance got to see what kind of a new thing will be there in this Miniso. Baba. Inside itself there is a floor. The decoration is very cute. The collections are completely different. They are nowhere in comparison with India. That's why people are waiting. That's why so many people are waiting outside literally to go inside a Miniso. Huh? We will explore what kind of collections are there more. Look at her. I am vlogging and she is not even caring. Oi, what you are doing? What you are doing?
I'm confused.
What?
I want all of them.
Your confusion is more bigger than anyone else. Her confusion is more bigger than anyone else. You want what?
I want all of them.
Take it then. You said no. You want to buy so many collections.
Every place one.
Leave re. She's not leaving those collections. She's not even caring. I am somewhere else. She left me and went. Yeah, look at her. One more. See? This confusion will not end. It will keep on going. Let us explore more. Guys, look at this collection. One piece collection. I think definitely one of you who are watching this video is anime fan. And they will never want to miss this collection. Luffy. So much cute collections are there here. Hey, show us what you have bought. You are so much confused what you will buy. Finally, what you have bought. You liked it?
Yes, I bought this.
What else you bought?
Now mug I have bought it. It's from Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. He's so much happy now. Look how she's jumping and walking now. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. We will go now and eat something. We found some Indian restaurant here. We're gonna try there, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye, I have said already.
Okay. Bye.